what I'm talking about?
Just Cuz, Cuzzo 92.3 radio station.
What's up? My name Bird. Just Cuz. The oldest, as you see.
He did. Playboy, what's happening with it?
Look, I know he said part A, part B, your finger in the phone. He said part A, part B. He went first, but look, sometimes it's always better to get a B plus than an A.
You already know it.
A's can be suspect sometimes. You feel me?
You
But
did.
look, this J, we out here, we finna take over. Ain't nothing else needs to be said.
Nothing at all. And we got the one and only Great Nova, Mr. Bo G himself, director of the motherfucking year. Believe that. You know what I'm talking about?
Motherfucking secret, Bo G, bro, for the 5 foot 16 the way Chicago's DNA, you feel me?
You already know. We in here, man. Simple ride. You know, come off and let the city know what's going on. Church, what's happening, Playboy? I forgot you on that now.
All day.
You did? Man, we out here grinding. We're going to have to chase it. We're finna leave the city. You know what I'm talking about? Put this tour together. Man, the only way to get it is to go get it. So just sit back, relax, stay tuned. You know, this just the exclusive footage from my phone. Bo G finna get all that shit. So, that order, man. Church. You did.
Damn with it, fool.
You already know it, Bo. We in this bitch. Been a minute since I've been here, but you know, it's still home. It's the first people that ever played our record. You know what I'm saying? They broke the record. Made the other stations jump on board. I salute Jay, salute Bam. You know what I'm talking about? But we back at it. Got the new single, Put In Work, featuring my man Young Fi. Red Walk Entertainment, new 3-piece project, gonna be bananas. I got my new group Just Cuz. We're about 80% done with their project. Finna do a feature Monday with them. With either, we don't know if we're gonna use Waka or we're gonna use Lil Durk, but the more might be Lil Durk because he's Chicago nigga. But it's all about winning, man. You know what I'm talking about? Fat folks in the corner. He handle business. He on the phone right now, texting. Hopefully booking the show down there right now. You know what I'm saying? We will be in Mississippi May 3rd. We're gonna tear it down. Then the end of May, we're going to Florida. But next Thursday, Money to Blow Part 2. It's going down. We're giving away $1,500. We got Shondell from Power 92 hosting it. Celebrity judges, Bo Dill, Crucial Conflict, Do or Die. Come on, man. City stand up, man. That's what it's about. It's all about support Chicago. You know what I'm talking about? We doing this with the little money we got. So imagine the artists that'll do it, they got a name and they got that bag. But we ain't waiting on them, we ain't depending on them. We fuck with the city, man. It is what it is, man. We working though.
I want to say this. I don't got too much to say, but one thing I do want to say, and I mean this, we appreciate our fans. Thank you for being behind us from day one, all the way up until now. It's been like 10 years we've been out, and our fans been behind us 100%. So we back at it, bringing you some good music.
You did.
The new single was Put In Work, and we got many more to follow that. So peace and love to the fans out there.
And to bounce off that, I salute my nigga JB. The other third of 3-piece. He ain't here right now. He at the crib. We just talked to him. His pops, you know what I'm saying? His pops under the weather right now, but you know, he tending to him, make sure he good recovery. So we salute you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Take all the time you need. You know, you 3-piece for life, church. You know what I'm saying? Blood thicker than water. And water make a nigga thirsty. So I'm gonna drink something right now. Take the camera around somewhere. You did. Church, holla at the people.
I ain't got nothing to say to him. We're going to spin back because we're going to let Part A get what he got to say.
Yo, it's Birdie. Just Cuz, I'm just glad I had an opportunity to work with these guys right here. You know, I mean, I just remember the time when, you know, I was listening to them a couple years ago and it was just, you know, crazy. But now here I am, 2013, Just Cuz. My name's Birdie. It's my brother, Beans. My cousin, Nick, Ramon.